the measurement of an angle. The ratio of the measurement of the complement of the angle to the measurement of the supplement is 1 to 3. And the supplement has an angle sum of 180 degrees. So when we add those two together, so x plus 3x, we get 180. When we combine our like terms, we have 4x equals 180. We have to divide both sides by 4 to find out that x is equal to 45. So this piece here is 45. This would be 45, 90, 135. If we add 45 3 times. 8. Two lines meet at a point. Set up and solve the equation. Find the measurement of one of the vertical angles. Vertical angles are equal in measure, so we have to set them equal to one another. We can subtract an x from both sides, which leaves us with 117 over here, and then 4 minus 1 is 3x. Split it into 3 equal parts, and we find that x is equal to 39. But then we have to plug it back in. So if we do 39 plus 117, that gives us 16. 3 plus 2 makes 5. So this is 156 degrees.